Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Lion Arrow Super Arrow indicator for MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you how this directional signal arrow tool works on your charts. At this point I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Alright, there we have it. Once applied, the Lion Arrow Super Arrow indicator places colored directional arrows on the price chart. Upward arrows typically appear below candles to suggest potential bullish conditions, as you can see, while downward arrows appear above candles, as you can see over here, to suggest potential bearish conditions. The arrows are designed to provide clear visual reference points where the indicator's calculations detect directional shifts. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The settings generally include the signal calculation period, sensitivity parameters that affect arrow frequency, and options for alert notifications. Display options such as arrow color, size, and style are usually customizable. As for who is for, this indicator is aimed at traders on MetaTrader 4 who prefer clear arrow-based visual signals. It is a visual tool only and does not execute trades. Arrow indicators can repaint or produce frequent false signals, particularly in ranging markets. Always verify that arrows do not repaint on historical data and confirm signals with other analysis tools. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.